The cover sheet builds the front page of your report. It opens as a ready-to-edit sample, so you just replace the placeholder text with your own project details. From the dashboard, add the cover sheet module. On the left, you choose a template, the city submission standard, a colorful showcase layout, or a blank canvas you arrange yourself. A checklist controls which blocks appear on the sheet. Just uncheck anything you don't need. Then customize the sample, replace the project title with yours. The project address and jurisdiction. The owner or client. And the engineer of record. Every text block works the same way. And you can upload your firm logo, engineer's stamp, and signature with a click. That's your cover sheet, ready to lead the printed report.